Hello everyone. So today we will be talking about two German verbs, stehen und stellen. People often get confused while using these verbs, so let's understand their meanings and their usage. So first, let us understand their meaning. Stehen means to stand. For example, ich stehe hier. I am standing here. Whereas stellen means to place something or to set something up. For example, ich stelle die Tasche auf den Tisch. I place the bag on the table. Now let's understand the usage of these verbs. First, let's see stehen. Stehen can be used to refer to people standing in a particular place. For example, die Kinder stehen in der Schlange. The children are standing in a line. It can also be used for objects that are in a standing position. For example, der Baum steht im Garten. The tree is standing in the garden. Now it can also be used to describe someone's state or condition. Like ich stehe unter Stress. I am under stress. Let's see its conjugation. Ich stehe, du stehst, sie es steht, sie stehen, ihr steht, wir stehen, sie stehen. Now let's understand the usage of the verb stellen. Stellen can be used to describe the act of placing an object somewhere, which means that the object is not at a particular place and you are doing that action. So, for example, ich stelle das Buch auf den Tisch. I place the book on the table. It can also be used when you are setting things up, like for example, while setting up an alarm. For example, sie stellt den Wecker 6 Uhr. She sets the alarm for 6 o'clock. Its conjugation is ich stelle, du stellst, sie es stellt, sie stellen, ihr stellt, wir stellen, sie stellen. The common mistakes that we generally do while using these verbs is, first, we get confused with stehen and sitzen. So stehen and sitzen are both completely different verbs. Stehen means to stand, whereas sitzen means to sit. And we often get mixed up while using stellen and legen. Stellen means when you are placing an object in a standing position, whereas legen is used when you are placing the object down. Now let's do a small Übung. Ergänzen Sie das passende Verb stehen oder stellen. Die Blumen dash auf den Tisch. Dash das Auto vor der Garage. Sie dash die Blumen in die Vase. Die Lampe dash auf dem Nachttisch. Let's take few seconds to complete this exercise. I hope you are done. Now let's see die Lösung. Die Blumen stehen auf den Tisch. The flowers are on the table, so they are in a standing position. Stellt das Auto vor der Garage. He places the car in front of the garage. Sie stellt die Blumen in die Vase. She puts the flowers in the vase. Die Lampe steht auf dem Nachttisch. The lamp is on the night table. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Cheers!